What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jordan and today we're going to be working on my 2014 Porsche Cayman S. Believe it or not, this car is already 7 years old, which is totally crazy to me. But because it's that old and because this car has seen a lot of sunlight in the Las Vegas heat, the plastics are starting to fade a little bit. So I bought a product, CERAKOTE, and I'm going to see how it works to restore the plastics and make the outside of the car just that little bit more refreshed. So if you want to see how that product works, stick around and let's see how it goes. So let's go over what comes in the box, and it's a really simple kit, and I'm hoping that even though it's simple, it's going to be a good product. But CERAKOTE comes with 10 little tiny cloths, and each one of these cloths comes with the material in it, so there's no mixing and no sponges or anything like that. They even send you a pair of gloves, which is very cool. And the directions are just super simple. It's wash, dry, and apply. They want you to wash with Blue Dawn soap. That way you can get all the oils off, but I'm sure something like Isopropyl Alcohol will work just fine. Then after that, all you have to do is just dry it off completely and then apply. And it really just seems like it's that easy. And everything I've seen online tells me that it's just that easy, so that's a good thing. So let's go ahead and pop over to the Porsche and see what we need to apply this to. And believe it or not, the Porsche Cayman actually has quite a few plastic pieces, but one of the most affected pieces is definitely this little panel right behind the windshield wipers. It's always getting sunlight, and it really just is the worst part of the car as far as fading goes. The rest is going to be this trunk area, and then we have exterior mirrors, side vents. There's a little piece of plastic back here that I'm going to try and address, and then the rear diffuser. So there's a lot to go over, but I think if we use this product and it really does a good job, it will give the car a nice stealth look. And that just reminded me that I need to get new gas struts, but now I have my trusty wooden stick. But before I apply all of this CERAKOTE to the plastics, I just got some isopropyl alcohol after I already cleaned it really nicely with some Dawn dish soap. And I'm going to use that alcohol just to really get as many of the oils off as possible, because having the oils on this plastic is what's going to make it look spotty or look worse. So cleaning these up is going to be really important, but once we're done with that, I'm going to go ahead and start applying the product. So it looks like the pad is a pretty good size, which is good because there's 10 of them, and we're definitely going to be using a lot of product. So I'm just going to go ahead and set you guys down here, and then we'll see how the product applies. Hopefully it's nice and easy. Alright guys, so it is a couple hours later. The instructions said let this dry and cure for at least an hour. So now that everything's fully cured, I want to go over the install a little bit. I think that the package in general comes with a lot of product, which is really great. Especially for 20 bucks, I think you could do a lot of car or a lot of truck with the amount that they give you. Second, it's super easy to install, almost too easy. Just literally clean your plastic, wipe it on, and then that's it. You'll notice that if you apply it and try and apply it later, it's kind of like a gummy surface. And I think it kind of like melts the top layer of the plastic. There's a chemical reaction that goes with the product, and when you put it on, you can almost feel the cloth get a little bit warm, which I think is a little bit interesting. But I think what it really does is kind of just melt that top layer, maybe just on like a really small level, and that's what refinishes the plastic. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and this review of the product. So far, I'm really satisfied, but I'm gonna flip it around and show you guys the finished product. If you liked the video, like it, subscribe to the channel for more, and we'll see you guys next time.